How to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change cover photo on Facebook without actually posting it to your timeline, or without showing it up on the timeline, or without creating the post. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Facebook application. Then you want to tap on the profile there, and once you head into your profile, here you can see various options. You can see cover photo there, mine, right? You want to simply tap on the camera icon that you will see along with the profile cover photo option, or you can simply tap on the cover photo option, and you can see you'll get various options at the bottom. You can see view profile cover, create avatar, cover photo, upload photo, select photo in Facebook, create cover colors. So since you want to upload a picture, you want to simply tap on upload photo, and then you want to select a picture quickly there. Once you select the picture, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see save your update to newsfeed option. You want to make sure that it's disabled. You want to make sure that it's not tick marked. You can see the blue tick there. If it is blue tick, then it will share the cover photo to your newsfeed. So you want to make sure it's not blue tick there, that the checkbox is blank, and then you want to simply tap on save option at the top right corner of your screen, and your cover photo will be uploaded without actually creating a post. So this way you can change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.